fear,
joy,
anger,
excitement. These are just some of the emotions that we experience almost daily. Our emotions can influence what we eat, what we wear, and yes, even what we invest in. Like professional athletes attempting the game-winning shot, it's important that investors keep their emotions in check. Find out how next. Our emotions are a big part of who we are, so it can be hard to set our emotions aside at the flip of a switch when investing. One of the best ways that investors can prevent themselves from making rash emotional decisions is preparation. Now, I'm not saying investors should spend hundreds of hours on their investments like a pro athlete devotes to training. But before placing a trade, they should determine their risk tolerance and have a strategy for when to buy and when to sell an asset. Ideally, this would be done with a quantitative approach, meaning it's based on numbers. For example, they might decide to sell a stock only after the share price drops 10%. A quantitative approach can help reduce the relevancy of an investor's emotional state when placing a trade. Think of it as a way to tune out all the noise and simply focus on executing a plan. Like that professional athlete tuning out the crowd before taking the game-winning shot.